everybody, today I have an 8x8 canvas and I'm just doing a little bit of experimenting, I guess, with the Arteza paints. The first color that I have here is Pearl Sea Green. I have Pearl Turquoise, and then I also have Pearl Tangerine Orange. You see that one? Alright, and I have two different whites that I'm going to be using. I have Bare Satin Enamel, and this one has floetrol and water only. And then I also have Bare Satin Enamel with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in my bottle mixed. And this one is actually mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and water. And I don't have very many or very much of these each color mixed up because it's a small canvas. And these were paints that I had mixed when I first got the paints, and I used the Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and water mix that I normally use. Now, I hadn't had a lot of success with it, but I didn't want to throw these away. I thought I would just give it a go and experiment. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a little bit of the satin enamel and put it in the bottom, just enough to cover the bottom of the cup. And then next I'm going to put turquoise. Okay. And then I'm going to put another little bit of the satin enamel. And now the tangerine. This is such a pretty color. I really, really like this one. Okay, and now I'm going to put a little bit more of the mix, the house paint Artist Loft mix. And now this is the sea green. All these colors are really, really pretty. Okay, I guess I got a little bit more in there. Not much. Alright. And look at how pretty those colors are. Now I'm just going to top it off with a little bit more. Alright, so what I'm going to do is a ring pour. And we'll see how this goes. Okay guys, so I'm going to take you in for a close-up. I did get the cloud effect like I thought I was going to. And I also was hoping to get all these cells. So I'm super happy about that. That I think was caused by the white house paint that I used that's mixed with floetrol and water only. So that's what helped cause that. The only thing that I'm kind of a little disappointed is I lost a lot of the, I'm trying to zoom but I can't see because it's so faint, that tangerine. I had it faintly right through there, and then a little bit up in here you can see it. It's so soft and so pretty. Alright, so while I was waiting for the cells to pop up, I made this little one. I did a flip cup with a little bit of leftover that was in the bottom of the cup, and that little canvas is one of the Arteza canvas easel sets. So I wanted to try that, and I did get some natural cells on that one too. So these both turned out really, really cool. Okay guys, so here's this one all dry, and it turned out beautifully. No cracks. And the colors just stayed so nice and soft. I really, really, really like it. And then I got all the natural cells using the DecoArt and the Artist Loft with floetrol only. So that was good because that's what I was kind of hoping for. And then of course I got the soft cloud effect. So this one turned out really good. I'm really, really happy with that one. Now the little one, on the other hand, not so good. I got the cracking again. Same paint, just a different technique. So I don't know, my room is the same temperature as it's always been. Nothing has changed as far as that goes. So I'm still happy with it because I think the cracks kind of add some detail to that little one. But anyway, so I'm excited, and I'll take the win on this one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.